Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to reset or factory reset of Samsung M31s. It's a simple way. Just go to settings and click on search column, type reset and search it. So we'll get an option: reset general management, reset settings, reset default values, network settings, shortcuts. We are going to do factory data reset. So here it is, the warning. It is telling your phone to its factory default setting. This will erase all data including files and downloaded apps. That is what we required. So going here and reset setting. Before that we'll see some option: reset all settings to their default. We'll try this option. We'll see what output we'll get. Oh, it's rebooting. See guys, this is the one good thing in M31s. It's having a knock security, secured by knock. Phone is starting. We'll see what are the changes it happened. It's resetted to the whole settings. Like earlier I was using the dark mode, now it's not there. We'll see. We have SMS. Yeah, we have SMS. We'll see the contacts. Yeah, contacts we have. And what else we need to check? We can check the gallery. Yes, we have. Everything is there. Only it will reset. We'll try another option, another reset option, and we'll come to know. These two options are similar. It's telling reset all settings to their defaults. Reset to default value. This is developer options. And reset network settings. If you want to reset network, you can use this option. Reset the shortcut. Manage the API call limits. Not sure, that is also developer option. Auto factory reset. We'll see what is this. Make your pattern visible. Local lock automatically. Lock the phone 5 seconds after the screen turns off. Automatically except with when kept unlocked by smart lock. Auto factory reset. After 15 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone it will reset to factory default settings, and all data will erase including files. This option is cool, guys. We can use it for if anyone is trying more than 15 times, your data will erase and it will reset, factory reset will happen. And show lockdown option. What is this? Display a power button option that turns off smart lock by biometric unlock and notification on the local lock screen. Okay, it will show the option in the lock screen. Okay, anyhow, today we need to reset, we need to do the factory reset. I need to erase all the data in my phone. I'm selecting this option and reset. In factory reset we have a couple of multiple options: reset setting, reset all settings by default, which I did earlier, network setting, accessibility settings, and factory data reset. This is the option which we required. And we have one more option, guys. Your phone will restart automatically within 1 hour of the time you set. Not sure why they given, but okay, that is also a cool feature. Going for factory data reset, here is the options. It is telling all data will be erased from your phone, including your Google account, system app, settings, download apps, music, pictures, all other data, service provider, app, contents, everything. Okay, that's what I required. Pattern, delete all. Wi-Fi connection required. Why? All your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. You can restore SD card data using smart switch after the reset. Yeah, but if I don't know why it is asking for Wi-Fi connection required. To use this function, download smart switch. Not sure how the smart switch works. I will install that and I will let you know, guys, how it will work. As of now, we required I don't know why it is asking for Wi-Fi network for resetting the data. Anyhow, I will connect my SIM. I don't have Wi-Fi here, and I will try to reset that option, enabling the data on, and will do factory reset this time. I believe it will delete all the data. Yeah, it's asking why we require the Wi-Fi network. It's mapped to my Gmail account, so it required the password. So let me what happened? I given my biometric, it automatically took, and it restarted. Not sure whether it's resetting the data, I believe. We'll see. It started, guys. Now installing the applications. Let's go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.